Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, go into Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on the photos that you wish to add. You can also choose Gallery section and click on them over here, or select Folders after Gallery. Hold your picture over here, and to add it, hit select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!